Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new notification. Let's start.
Topics to be covered today: inserting images, attributes of image tag, concept of linking, anchor tag and its attribute, and some important full forms that will be basically related to image format. Inserting image. How to insert an image. This is a revision class. If any point you feel important, you can note down your notebook. You can pause the video and you can note down that content. Image tag is an empty tag as it does not require a closing tag. Okay. So image is an empty tag. Why it is empty tag? Because closing of this tag is not required. Now syntax. Image src equal to URL. What is this URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Let's see one code to insert a image. Look here, HTML has been closed because it is a container tag. And image, is there any line where we have closed the image tag? No, because it is an empty tag. And what is this? This is the path of the image. Okay, you can pause the video and write this code. Now let us see the output, how it will look. See here, this will be the output of this code that I have shown you. If you insert the image, and it will be displayed on your web page like this. You can change its size, you can change its alignment, you can give border. So many things can be done with using the attribute. Let's have a look on them. Attributes in the image tag. First attribute that we will learn is align. What it does? Specify position of the image. Whether you want to place your image on the top, middle, bottom, you can use align attribute. Border. Specify size of the border. If you give border equals to 0, then there will be no border of your image. Clear? Next is width and height. You can adjust the width and the height of the image. It can be done in pixels or in percentage. Anything you can use. Alt. What is this? Alt is alternate. Suppose our image is not being displayed. That could be any reason. Image is not displayed on the web page. So instead of that, a text can be written. Alternate text will be displayed. That can be done using alt tag. Indicate text to be displayed in case the browser is unable to display the image. For any reason, it might be a network reason, it might be a wrong path selection, any reason image is not displayed, then alt attribute is given. Linking. Now what is linking? I hope you have understood image and its attributes. A link is a connection from one web resource to another. Now what is hyperlink? For connecting one web page to another, you have to click on a certain text or an image. You have to click somewhere, then only you will be redirecting to another web page. So that text or the image is called hyperlinking. It is a text which is highlighted or an image which store other web page addresses. What it stores? Other web page addresses. Anchor tag. This is used This tag is used to create link, and this is a container tag as it has to be closed. Look at the syntax over here. ahref equal to URL. This will be the address of the another web page. Hyperlink text. What is this? This will contain the address. This will contain any text. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to that page. And we have closed the anchor tag. Look here. By default, if you visit a link, then it is red in color, active link. Okay, you have visited scene, so it is in red color. Unvisited link is blue in color and visited link will be purple in color. These are the by default color of the links. You can also change this color using CSS. Attributes of anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to create linking. Now the first attribute, href. What is this? Hypertext reference. Again I am repeating, listen carefully. href is hypertext reference. What it stores? URL. What is this? Uniform Resource Locator. href stores the path of the next or the web page you wanted to link. Next attribute is name. Why I have written ID over here? Because in HTML5, name attribute is not supported. So ID is the replacement of that attribute which can be used instead of name. Section name value it gives. What does is used for? This is used for create internal linking. If you want to link, create a link, the section within a web page, one section, two section within the web pages, then this attribute is being used. After that, title, text attribute is an optional. You can write the text of the linking pages. Okay. Then target. What this attribute do? This attribute direct the web page where you want it to open. Blank, self, parent, top, wherever you want to keep the target of your web page to be opened, you have to use target attribute and you have to give this value as per your choices. Now let us learn some full forms related to image formats. Generally, we save our images and image formats are available in these formats. First one is JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group, same. GIF, Graphic Interchange Format. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. So my dear students, please learn these full forms thoroughly. Go through the chapter once. Revise your book exercise also. Thank you.